Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. So guys, today is another vlog. Welcome back and thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, so right now the kids have already gone to school, so I'm here with David. Yeah, he's at my back. Make it till morning. Like yesterday we really walked here and let me show you guys. So that was outside yesterday evening. Like we worked so hard. It took us like almost 4 hours to 5 hours to bring things that we don't need. So here in Germany, like you have two opportunity in a year, 2 times in a year, for you to call like a start, like a state in your city, for them to come and pick up things that you don't need. So yesterday we brought everything out. There's a big couch that was here before. We put it outside, and most of the things, all things that we don't need in this house, so we brought everything out. So they just came now to pick them up. Like I'm so happy. I don't really like where like everywhere is full of stuff, even things that you don't really need. So yesterday we really worked, me and my husband as well as the kids. We brought them outside. Now they have picked them. I think it's different people that are supposed to come, like people that are going to come to pick the mattress, couch, those stuff, and another one that are going to come to pick the like shrunk, like cupboard and all those stuff. Yeah. So that is what we did yesterday. I'm so happy. Like we brought some things out. Yeah. Outside here is really giving me vibe. Look at my so bright, guys. Outside here is so bright. So yeah, I'm so tired this morning, to be honest. I don't know, because of what I did yesterday, the work we worked yesterday. I supposed to do workout this morning, but I couldn't. I just finished, taking my smoothie. Yeah, so I'm just trying to let David to sleep so I can be able to do some things, clean the house and all that. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for coming back to my vlog. Oh God, I'm so happy about this summer this year. The summer is giving us vibe, vibe. So talk to you guys later, okay? Let me go ahead and start cleaning. Clean with me, guys. Yeah. outside. Yeah, so right now I'm trying to sort out this set of plates. The set that I have in the kitchen is really not complete. Now, you know, when you have keys, most of the time they break it, you know, so most of the cups is already gone and most of the plate is gone, so the set is no longer complete anymore. So that's why I want to change it to this one. So those old ones there, I'm going to bring it out. It's going straight to Nigeria. If you know, you know. So that is what I'm trying to do. So this reminds me of one of my friends. She lives in Nigeria, so she was telling me that her kids always, you know, her kids always break her plate, cups and all that, that she have to take them to church for deliverance. Oh my God. Guys, have you ever heard of this before? Like if children are breaking the plate and all that, which means it's associated with, like, you know, evil spirit, something like that. So she was trying to explain to me, but I cannot just understand what she was saying. I said, girl, what are you saying? That your children are breaking your plate and all that, that's why you want to take them to, like, to church for deliverance. Oh my God. Oh God. I think we Nigerians, we are still far away, to be honest. How can your child break plates and you are involving the evil spirits? Oh my God. Guys, that is not it. I can't believe that some people still have it. Oh, this one is very, very heavy. I can't believe that people are still, you know, have this kind of mentality. Oh my God, I hope this plate is not going to break. I can't believe that people still have this mentality that because of your children are breaking your plates and your cups, that's why you want to take them to church for deliverance. Guys, this plate is so beautiful, like beautiful set. I just love it. It has everything that you need in your kitchen. So this is another type. I think this one is from this one. So guys, what do you think? Have you heard of something like this, you know, before? When I was in Nigeria, people normally say it, but I thought that, you know, that belief have changed, as in people supposed to know, like, better by now. But some people still have this mentality. What do you think? Do you think that a child breaking plates and cups, glasses, the evil spirit is involved? What do you think? Guys, look at this one. Very nice set. Guys, I'm allergic to, like, dust, but despite I have clean here, I'm still sneezing. I don't really know why. Like, I'm so happy that I clean outside today, because in summertime we spend almost 85% of our time here. We spend more time here outside than inside, you know, in summertime. Sometimes I do cook outside, like, seriously. I'm going to show you guys, like, any day I'm cooking outside, but right now I think my gas is finished. I need to go and refill it before I'll start using it. Like, we spend almost 85% of our time here outside. Yeah, so that's why I love summer, you know. It saves a lot of things, like, instead of you staying inside the house, you know, putting light, television and all that, or cooking inside, you can stay outside here, do whatever that you want to do. If you want to sleep, you just go inside and sleep. So that's why I love summer. I love summer so much. The only thing I don't like is this flies and dust, you know. So most of the time it's this dust that is bringing this allergy for us. When I was in Nigeria, I didn't even know that I'm allergic to dust until I came here. Yeah. So this is the last set here. This one. So what I have to do now is to, first of all, bring those old ones out and then pack them somewhere, because just as I said before, it will be going to Nigeria, and this one I need to wash it and then put them back here. So this is what I'm going to be doing.
before I go ahead and pick my kids from school. So I'm so happy. Like this morning, at least this morning, I have really achieved something, especially this outside that I just cleaned. I can be doing my workouts, outside here as well. Yeah, if you're watching up to this moment, thank you so much, guys. Can you imagine, like, weather just changed right now? Oh my god, and my nose is blocked. Oh Jesus. Thank you everyone for watching, and yeah, if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Okay, bye for now. Bye bye.